It seems that this year Xiaomi will launch smartphones across price segments. The company has already unveiled at least 5 smartphones and seems not to be stopping anytime soon. The Chinese smartphone maker recently announced another budget smartphone, the Redmi 6, at an event in China, successor to the last year's launched Redmi 5. The smartphone comes with a bezel-less display and offers dual-rear camera setup. In terms of price and specifications, the handset will compete against the likes of the Realme 1 smartphone. Welcome back to QatNip, and today we have compared the two budget smartphones, the Redmi 6 and the Realme 1. So come on, let's learn together. First, coming to the display, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 comes with a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with an effective resolution of 720x1440 pixels and hence having an 18:9 aspect ratio. On the other hand, the Realme 1 sports a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display with a higher effective resolution at 2160x1080 pixels. Next, for the operating system, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, topped with the company's own MIUI 10, whereas the Realme 1 has the ColorOS instead on top that we can expect by the company. Moving on to the performance unit, both the smartphones are powered by different MediaTek processors. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 is powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset, whereas the Realme 1 packs in MediaTek's 12nm and a higher-ended Helio P60 processor. Both the smartphones offer two variants on the basis of RAM and storage capacity as well. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 offers 3GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage and 4GB and 64GB to choose from, while the Realme 1 comes in 3+32 and a massive 6+128GB RAM and storage duo. Both support microSD card, so expansion will not be a problem. But considering the Realme's 6GB and 128GB model, it certainly is gonna overcast Redmi 6. Hence, the performance lies on the side of the Realme 1. Next, coming to camera, the Redmi 6 has a dual camera setup comprising of a 12MP and 5MP duo, each having a very standard and unimpressive f/2.2 aperture lens. There is also a 5MP front camera for taking selfies. On the other hand, the Realme 1 has a 13MP rear camera being single-handed and an 8MP front-facing camera. The company claims that the cameras are capable of supporting AR stickers within the app and offer bokeh and vivid mode, even without dual cameras. And finally, coming to the battery, the Redmi 6 is backed by a 3000mAh battery, while the Realme 1 houses considerably higher 3410mAh battery pack. So that would be it for the comparison, and we seriously think that the Realme 1 overcasts the Redmi 6 in almost all aspects. But of course, you guys might have different opinions, so be sure to let us know in the comment section below. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.